right, here's the plan today. We're gonna drive down to St. Mary's, Idaho. Don't turn around. We're gonna make a video so you guys can see what living in St. Mary's is like. Thought I stepped in dog shit. There is a hospital here as well. It's probably one of those hospitals where you tell the ambulance driver to take you straight up to Coeur d'Alene. So if you work there, don't get mad at me, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to offend anyone, I'm just speaking the truth and from my past experience as a cop. So if you're looking to work in Coeur d'Alene or something, it's probably not a viable option. If that sounds expensive to you, then North Idaho might not be the spot for you, to be honest. So it could be just the spot you're looking for, but maybe not. And I always like to point out the absolute truth so you know what you're getting into before you get into it. All right, boys and girls, pop quiz. What do you see right here behind me? I haven't seen one of these since 1989. They don't make them anymore because they're so damn deadly. Look at that, right here. Oh, you are gonna wreck yourself, bro. Nobody broke a bone on the merry-go-round, in case you're wondering. John's okay.